Have you ever felt that the world of cryptocurrency is like a VIP club you're not quite sure how to get into? With all the jargon, complex charts, and stories of overnight fortunes and losses, it's easy to feel intimidated. But what if I told you there's a straightforward path for beginners to step confidently into crypto, right here in Canada, using a platform designed with simplicity in mind? Today, we're going to demystify crypto portfolio setup specifically for beginners using Nuggs, a highly rated Canadian crypto trading platform. This isn't about getting rich quick, but about building a smart, diversified foundation for your crypto journey. We'll cover everything from account creation to smart investment strategies, helping you understand the why behind each step. So, if you're ready to stop feeling like an outsider and start building your own piece of the digital future, stick around. This video is for you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Nuggs, let's address some foundational knowledge that every crypto beginner needs. Think of it as your Crypto 101 crash course. First, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In its simplest form, it's a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution interference. This decentralization, powered by blockchain technology, is at the heart of crypto's appeal. It offers transparency, immutability, and often, faster and cheaper transactions. Next, why invest in crypto? The reasons are diverse. Some see it as a hedge against inflation, given the limited supply of many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Others are drawn to its potential for high returns, recognizing its relatively nascent stage compared to traditional assets. Beyond speculation, crypto fuels innovation in various sectors, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to NFTs and the metaverse. By investing, you're not just buying a digital asset, you're often investing in a new technology or a new way of interacting with the digital world. However, it's crucial to understand that crypto is volatile. Prices can swing wildly in short periods. This isn't like your typical savings account. You need to be prepared for ups and downs, and critically, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This isn't just a disclaimer, it's a golden rule. Crypto is a long-term play for most successful investors, focusing on gradual accumulation and conviction in the technology rather than chasing immediate gains. Now, let's talk about Nuggs. Why Nuggs for beginners, especially in Canada? Nuggs has carved out a reputation for being user-friendly, with a clean interface that doesn't overwhelm new users with advanced trading features they don't need yet. They boast competitive pricing with tight spreads, which is how they make their money instead of charging commission fees. They also prioritize security, employing robust measures like third-party cold storage for a significant portion of user assets. Plus, their instant account verification and various funding options make getting started quick and hassle-free for Canadians. It's built to simplify the crypto experience, which is exactly what a beginner needs. Alright, with that essential context out of the way, let's get into the practical steps of setting up your beginner crypto portfolio on Nuggs. Step 1. Signing up and verification on Nuggs. This is where your crypto journey officially begins. Head over to Nuggs' website or download their mobile app. The sign-up process is designed to be straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your email address. Make sure to use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, immediately. This is non-negotiable for security in the crypto space. Nuggs supports various 2FA methods, so choose one that works best for you, like Google Authenticator or an SMS-based option. Next comes the verification process, also known as Know Your Customer, KYC. This is a standard regulatory requirement for legitimate crypto exchanges to prevent fraud and money laundering. Nuggs prides itself on instant verification for most users. You'll likely be asked to upload a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport, and possibly a selfie to confirm your identity. The system often uses AI to cross-reference your submitted documents. As long as your documents are clear and match your input, you should be verified within minutes. If there are any issues, their support team is generally quick to assist. Remember, a verified account is essential for funding and withdrawing. Step 2. Funding your Newton account. Once verified, it's time to add some funds to your Newton account. Newton offers several convenient options for Canadians. The most popular and often fastest method is Interac e-transfer. This is likely what you use for online banking transfers already. Simply link your bank account, initiate an e-transfer from your bank to Newton using the provided details, and the funds typically arrive within minutes. Newton boasts zero fees for e-transfers, which is a huge plus. Another option is a wire transfer, which is better for larger sums but can take a few business days to clear. Again, Newton typically doesn't charge fees for wire transfers either. Finally, if you already hold crypto in another wallet, you can transfer it directly to your Newton account. This is usually near instantaneous, though you'll pay network fees on the sending end, not to Newton directly. For beginners, starting with Interac e-transfer is usually the easiest and most efficient way to get your initial capital onto the platform. Remember the golden rule: only deposit what you are comfortable losing. Step 3. Choosing your first cryptocurrencies for a beginner portfolio. This is where many beginners get overwhelmed. With thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, how do you choose? For a beginner portfolio on Newton, we're going to focus on established, reputable assets that have stood the test of time and offer relatively lower volatility compared to smaller, speculative altcoins. The goal here is stability and long-term growth, not moonshots. Here are some excellent choices available on Newton that form a solid foundation for any beginner. Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Bitcoin has the largest market capitalization, the strongest network effect, and is generally considered the least volatile among cryptocurrencies. It's a must-have for any crypto portfolio. Ethereum, ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Ethereum is the backbone of the decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT ecosystems. It powers countless decentralized applications and has massive utility beyond just being a store of value. It's a foundational asset for exposure to the broader crypto economy. Litecoin, LTC, often called digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and a different mining algorithm. It's a well-established altcoin with a long history and solid liquidity. It provides some diversification away from Bitcoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.